Ever feel like your paycheck disappears faster than your phone charger at a family gathering? 1 minute it's in your account, and the next it's swallowed by bills, subscriptions, and whatever you ordered last night on impulse. Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the good news. That same paycheck, your current one, not the one you dream of, can become the tool that builds your future wealth. No lottery wins, no inheritance, no six-figure salary required. Stick with me, because today we're breaking down how you can go from budget to boss, turning your regular paycheck into real portfolio gains. Not overnight, not magically, but methodically. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to invest even with limited income, what to avoid, and where the smartest money actually goes. Let's start with some hard truth. Most people don't actually have a money problem. They have a priority problem. Ask around and you'll hear the same excuses. I don't make enough to invest. I'll start when I get a raise. But the people who grow wealth long-term, they flip that thinking. They pay themselves first. They treat wealth building like rent, non-negotiable. Let's say you make $2,500 a month after taxes. Most people would budget like this. Cover rent, pay bills, eat something edible, then maybe see what's left for savings. But a future boss mindset flips it. Allocate your investments first, even if it's just $100, and learn to live on the rest. It's not about having extra money, it's about making your goals non-optional. Now maybe you're thinking, cool idea, but $100 won't build anything big. Wrong. The first $100 is everything. It's not about how much, it's about getting in the game, because the cost of waiting is higher than you think. If you invest $100 today and let it grow at just 8% a year, which is historically conservative for the market, without ever adding another penny, you'd still have over $2,000 in 30 years. But if you add $100 monthly, that's over $140,000. That's the power of starting now. So how do we start? First, we build the foundation, a setup that helps your money grow on autopilot. And it starts with 3 things: a workable budget, the right investment account, and a portfolio aligned with your goals and timeline. Let's talk about budgeting real quick. Not the boring kind that has you tracking every coffee, but a framework that frees you to spend without guilt. The 50-30-20 rule does the trick for most beginners. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to financial goals like investing and saving. If you can't afford 20% right now, start with 10%. Heck, start with 5%. Just start. Once that 5, 10, or 20% is carved out, automate it. Set up automatic transfers into a separate investment account, so you're investing without having to think about it every month. That mental shift from I'll try to invest if there's money left to I invest every time I get paid is the first boss level move. Now the big question, where do you put that money? This is where decision fatigue kills momentum for most people. Too many options, platforms, coins, trends. Let's simplify it to what actually works. You need an account that grows your money and protects it from taxes. In the US, that's usually a Roth IRA. In the UK, it's a stocks and shares ISA. These accounts are designed to encourage you to invest and reward you for doing it. You pay no taxes on your gains or your withdrawals as long as you follow the rules. That could mean saving tens of thousands over a lifetime. If you haven't set one up yet, don't scroll away or say, I'll do it later. Open your investing app while you watch and start it. Choose the account type, enter your info, and fund it, even with $10. You've just made a move 90% of your peers haven't. At this point, you might be asking, what do I invest in? Stocks, index funds, crypto memes, and cat tokens? We'll unpack that in just a second. But the key takeaway so far is this. Your paycheck, even a modest one, contains the seeds for serious growth. The sooner you plant them, and the more consistently you water them, the sooner you move from barely catching up to building real financial freedom. So let's zoom out for a second. You've got your paycheck. You've built a lean budget. You've committed to paying yourself first. You're even automating monthly contributions into a Roth IRA or stocks and shares ISO. That alone puts you ahead of 80% of people your age. But we're not here to be average. We're here to build a portfolio that moves with the markets and eventually works harder than we do. So let's break down what your boss portfolio might actually look like and how it evolves over time. Now, forget picking the next hot stock or meme coin. Forget overnight success. The most effective portfolios are boring, consistent, and designed around a goal. For most people like you and me, that goal is simple: long-term financial freedom. That begins with a core holding. For most beginner investors, the S&P 500 index fund is a winner. Why? Because it tracks 500 of the largest companies in the US: Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and more. When those companies grow, your portfolio grows. If one fails, the others cushion the fall. It's built-in diversification. You can hold this through funds like VOO or SPY in the US, or something like Bourse if you're in the UK. Let's say 75% of your investment goes into that fund. You've now captured historical returns of about 8 to 10% per year, with relatively low effort. That's the core. That's the compound engine. Next, sprinkle in 15% for growth bets. Maybe you believe in green energy, AI, or even specific companies you personally understand. This slice lets you pursue higher returns with a little more risk. It keeps you engaged. But remember, research is key. Don't invest based on hype. Invest based on value and vision. And last, reserve 10% for alternatives. This could be REITs for passive income, gold for wealth preservation, or even crypto if you truly understand the risk. Bitcoin and Ethereum have earned long-term attention, but treat them as speculation, not a foundation. They're high risk, high volatility, and not for everyone. But if you're in it for the long term and only put in what you can afford to lose, it can be a valuable piece in your portfolio puzzle. Now, the question you're probably asking is, how do I manage it month to month? Here's the answer most investors don't want to hear. You don't need to touch it much. Set it, forget it, rebalance maybe once a year if things get way out of line. Wealth isn't built in your brokerage app. It's built with patience. This is where discipline beats intelligence. A consistent investor will always outpace the clever trader who jumps in and out of confusion. Markets rise and fall, but the trend over time is up. Timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible, even for pros. But time in the market, that's your superpower. And guess what? That paycheck you once thought was too small to matter, it's now the hero of your financial story. Whether it's $100 a month or $1,000, what truly counts is that you are investing on purpose. And when life changes, when you get a raise, land a side hustle, or cut out pesky expenses like unused subscriptions, you reinvest those savings into your system. You grow your portfolio like you would a business, slowly, thoughtfully, intentionally. Here's a powerful mindset shift. Every dollar isn't just money, it's an employee. You can either spend it for temporary fun or assign it a job that lasts a lifetime. Wealthy people don't just trade time for money. They let money work while they sleep, and now so do you. Imagine where you'll be a year from now if you start today. Your budget's under control, your investments are automated, your portfolio's working in the background. Money starts showing up more in your investments than in your spending. You experience peace of mind instead of panic before payday. That's how bosses think. That's how legacy builds. So before you click away, do this. Write down your first investment goal. It could be 10K in 3 years or simply investing $100 a month for 12 months without fail. Open your investing app and allocate your current monthly budget. Doesn't matter if it's $10, $50, or $500. Get it in motion. Comment below what your boss move is after this video. I read them. Others read them. And you might inspire someone who thought they were too broke to begin. Oh, and if you found value in this, click that subscribe button because I'm dropping weekly content that simplifies money, mindset, and making your first 100K in a way they don't teach in school. And if you want to see exactly how this strategy evolves over time, I've linked a video right here that breaks down my full 3-tier wealth system, from saving to investing to buying your freedom. But hey, don't watch it just yet. Take action right now. Invest something, even $1. Once you've made your move, then I'll meet you there. Because paycheck to paycheck is the past. From this point forward, you're building as a boss.